Well, there's another Silver EP3. This one's got a carbon fibre wing infra map, and yeah, it's got some mods. Again, it's got an exhaust and induction kit, so we'll see how we get on. We'll list those at the end, but let's see what power it makes in its stock form, see what power it makes on the dyno before we start tuning, and then we'll get having a look. You all right there, Rich?
Yeah, mate, yeah,
there you go. Well, this one made 208 in stock form before we started tuning. So, okay, let's improve upon that. Going splendidly. How are you feeling? Comfy in that one, Rich?
Actually, the seat's quite nice. Well, it's a bigger boy seat, so
for a bigger boy.
For a change, instead of sitting on the sides,
yeah.
I'm actually sat in the seat.
Oh, well done, Rich. I'm pleased for you.
Yeah. Well, it's all right for you because you're sat out there. I'm the one that's squashed in here on a silly seat sometimes.
Okay, I'll just die of carbon monoxide poison and freeze to death. But that's cool, man.
Yeah.
You have a comfy seat.
Oh, come on. if anyone wants to start a fucking
GoFundMe page.
Yeah, GoFundMe page for Dan so he can get him a bigger coat so he don't moan while he's standing outside.
I've got worse things to worry about than that.
Recording.
I'm recording now. I like the lighting a bit better like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So another Silver EP3 mapped.
We've got a special guest.
We have got. Come on.
We've got a special guest. Can we get a special guest in? Come on. Look,
Hello.
Guest, Jason. He's come to get an alloy wheel welded next door, so he thought he'd pop in and say hello.
He's come for a crap. for old time's sake.
Yeah, he'd come for a pill. Old time's sake.
Yeah. Yeah. Good to see you, Jason.
Thanks. Oh.
Well, that's enough of him.
Yeah.
So so it did pretty well. I think it's leaving on 222 brake horsepower.
Yeah, a little bit less than the previous one, but I think the exhaust is a little lesser on this one.
It's a skunk too. Mega power.
That was pretty good exhaust, that, to be fair. Yeah, pretty good. But like we always say though, each car on their own merit. So
on their own merit.
Yeah, so we've done the best we could do with this car today. So
we have.
that's what we've got. I think he'd be happy with it anyway. There's great gains across the mid-range and obviously
Yeah,
across
certainly
it
is.
all the way through.
Sounds immense, you know, because I was at the back of the dyno cell filming the eruption.
Were you
from
warm
the
though there at that point?
Yeah, it was. The flames were like lighting me up, if I'm honest, because obviously the door's shut. That's how we keep the noise down here, by the way, the dyno cell door. But the flames were licking up to my beard.
Nice, I like it.
Yeah, make a good video of that. Well, there we go. Let's
Should we have a look at the graph?
I think we should have a look at the graph, because that's kind of what we do here. Okay, so there we go. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Power made right across the rev range. The revs extended out, the Vtec lowered, and a big portion in the mid-range, as we always say. So he's going to love that. That's if he's on track, that's where it's going to count. So yeah, brilliant gains, and we have got 222 brake horsepower we finish on. I'm just going to scroll down there somewhat. No, I'm not. Not technical difficulty. There we go. So 222 and 188 at the wheel. So that's another one in the bag. Jason, you're in my video again. Hello, Jason.
Hello, Daniel.
And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Light moves pretty fast.